You can reset the FusionSolar password on the FusionSolar app or FusionSolar Smart PVMs. First, let's talk about resetting the password from FusionSolar Smart PVMs. Enter FusionSolar Smart PVMs address. Log in as a company administrator or installer. Choose More System Company Management from the main menu. Select the user to be reset. Enter the new password. The password is reset successfully. Next, let's talk about resetting the password on FusionSolar app. Open FusionSolar app. Log into the app using the installer account. On the home page, choose Me User Management. Click Reset Password in the upper right corner of the target user's card. Enter the new password. The password is reset successfully.